Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video I am going to show you how I made this resin tray using wild flowers that I collected myself. So without further ado, let's get to it. So yes, here is my tray mold. It is 25 centimeter wide and I have prepared my flowers already, and I'm super excited about this project because since the springtime that I started pressing my flowers, in my head I wanted to do this tray with poppies, daisies and cornflower. I think this is my absolutely all-time favorite flower combination, wildflower. So here I am spreading my transparent. To make this tray, I am going to be doing it in 2 layers. So first layer is transparent and then I add all the plants and flowers, and after it dries I put on top the second layer, which will be background. And here I am magically working very fast and making sure no bubbles on the edge. And after I will cover it and leave it to cure. So this is the next day and I have prepared again my second part of resin, which I am going to be add gray mica powder, this time from Arteza. It's called charcoal gray, and I want to add just enough so it's not too much opaque. One thing I have noticed though working with Arteza mica pigments is that you need to mix it a lot to make sure that everything is mixed well. And now it's easy part, just pour on top and spread it. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give a like. It would help my channel out a lot. Thank you. So now that is going to be done, I am going to cover it again and leave it to cure for another, I would say 48 hours, because I like that my things cure well before I unmold them. So the time has passed and the resin has cured very nicely, and it's time for the exciting part, the unmolding. I am very excited to see how it's gonna turn out. So here we go. Oh yes, here you can see I have anemone blush that this resin has produced while curing. So here is the result. Wow! I think it looks simply amazing. I love how the flowers look and everything is just wonderful. Yeah, I have little bubbles trapped underneath, but I think they look lovely and they add like a little water drops in the morning. So I decided not do anything about them and leave it. Yes. I am very happy how it looks, and I decided to make as well the same theme coasters to go with it. So most likely 1 week from now you are going to see a video on how I made them. Anyway, back to the tray. The next step what I want to do is to sand a little bit, then paint edges silver and apply my final top coat and add my little handles. And here I am, all ready to go for my top coat. I am putting down some isopropyl alcohol so I get rid of any grease, any little fluffs, any dirt that can still be trapped in there. And my top coat resin is Vista Rapids. And before pouring it, I usually leave it for about 10-15 minutes in the cup. That way, all the bubbles rise and the resin becomes crystal clear and it thickens up a bit. So it's less possibility for going over the edges. Oh, and one more thing, before applying the top coat, I usually put liquid latex underneath, so in case any drips occur, after I have no problem removing them. And here it is, all ready. I am absolutely in love with this creation, and the top coat came out really nicely, and it looks like it's covered in actual glass, so shiny. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it entertaining and learned something new. Please leave a comment and let me know. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.